today's sewing tutorial, I am going to show you how to alter this dress. First, I'm going to reshape the neckline, take in the shoulders, and adjust the side seams. So if you want to see how, then keep on watching. I found this dress at the thrift store for $2. With a little bit of sewing alteration, this dress can turn to a fabulous one. The center of the neckline, I am going to measure down 3 inches. Then I'm just going to shape it into V. Then at the back, I'm going to make sure that the shoulders are the same width, and I'm just going to mark it and reshape the back neck as well. And here I am making sure if the neckline is good shape, and as you can see, it wasn't, so I reshape it just a little bit. And I will get back to the neckline later. I will separate the lining, and I'm just going to seam rip it along the waistline. I need to take it in by about 1 inch on each side, so I mark that. As you can see, I was going for like a tapered measurement here. Then I did the same thing on the other side seam. After that, I tried it on and I noticed that the armholes are still too big. So from the underarm seam, I'm going to measure in 1 inch, and I'm just going to draw a straight line, and it will taper on the hip, and it's going to blend to the original side seam. Then I base stitch it and then tried it on once it is good, and then I went back and sew it again using a regular stitch length. Now I'm going to trim off the excess fabric to get rid of the bulk. Now it's time to work on the shoulders, so I need to take it in by about 1 inch, so I mark that. Then I gave it about 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then I trim off the excess fabric. I also cut out the neckline. After that, I can finish the shoulders, so I open up the fabric, so I match the lining and the shell together, just like this. And I'm going to stitch it along the shoulders. Here's the progress. The waistline is done, the side seam and the arm side is done. Now it's time to finish the neckline. I will use a facing to finish the neckline. I inserted a piece of paper so I can trace out the back neck. So I just place it at this angle and trace out the neckline. So this is going to be for the back. I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, times 2. We need 2 of this. I repeated the same for the front. The pattern pieces should look something like this. Join it at the shoulder seams, then I am going to place it on the neckline. Right sides of the fabrics are facing each other. Then I stitch it using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Next, I cut the center front as close to the seam as possible, then I'm going to grade it. To understitch it, making sure that the seam allowance is resting on the lining. And then I'm just going to sew it as close to the seam as possible. So doing this is making sure that the neck facing is going to stay inside the garment. Once it is done, I am going to flip it under and I'm just going to pin it to secure. I also serge the raw edge of the facing and then I'm just going to hand stitch it. If you want to, you can use your sewing machine. I also hand stitched the lining on the waistline and the dress is completed. So this tutorial shows you 3 techniques to alter a dress or take in a dress. So we did work on the side seam, the shoulders, and the neckline. So this tutorial is actually 3 in 1 and you're welcome. This is the before and this is the after. I absolutely love how it turned out. I really like the neckline. It turned out so nice. As you can see, it looks so much better than the before. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel and likes and share this video. I will really appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!